In this video, I'll be covering the live demo of website and the admin panel. So starting with the website, so you can see this is the main landing page of the website of this classified rental marketplace. So you can see this is the logo of the marketplace. If you buy this white label solution, so you can get your own branded logo over here. So if you are a first time user, so you will have to register in order to use this application. If you already have an account, you can sign in to this platform using multiple sign-in options. So let me show you the sign-in process. So you can see you get multiple sign up and login options, such as you can log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or you can tell the admin to include as many. So you can see I have logged in as a customer onto this classified marketplace. So at the side of the logo, you can see all cities option. So if you want to sell your product in a particular location, or you want to buy any product in your near your location, you can do that by filtering your city over here. Similarly, you can select what product you want or what service are you looking from the all category section. Coming below, you can see you post your ad option. So if you want to list out your product for sale, you will have to click on the same. Coming below, you can see categories like property for sale, property for rent, vehicles, classifieds, etc. So if you want to purchase products belonging to these categories, you can directly navigate from here itself. Below that, you can see ads near you, or the ads or the properties or the products that have been listed and are near your locality. Below that, you can see the properties that are selected for you, or these are the properties that are appearing as recommendations. Coming below, you can see the property for sale. Below that, you can see property for sale. Likewise, you can check out property for rent, vehicles. And lastly, you can see create your shop option. So if you want to open your shop on this marketplace, you will have to click on the same. Like if you want to open your shop on this marketplace, you can click on create your shop. Now you can upload your shop logo over here, enter your shop name, select your location, enter the description, and select the category for which you want to offer products on this marketplace, and click on submit. Once you do so, the request would be sent to the admin and he can approve or reject your form. So let us see how as a customer, you can post your ad on this rental marketplace. So let us see how as a customer you can post your advertisement. So first of all, you can upload the images of the product or property you want to sell out. Now you can select the product listing details, like the categories for which you want to, under which you want the product to be listed. Like if I want to sell this property, I will select property for sale. After that, you can select the subcategory, like whether your property is residential, commercial, or you are selling a land. Let's select residential for sale. Now you can enter the product details, such as so you can enter the product details. Now you can enter the product description. Next, you can select the product condition, like whether it is new or it is used. Next, you can select your city, or you can select your neighborhood and all the other attributes that are listed over here, like the property type, how many number of bedrooms are there, attached bathrooms, the size, square feet, and likewise you can fill all the attributes. Next, you can enter the product pricing, or the pricing for which you want the product to be sold at, and click on submit. So you can see the property has been listed, and you can check that in the my post section. So this is the property, like the product name, the category, the listed price, and you can see the current action. Likewise, as a customer, you can manage your dashboard. Like you can see the total number of views your advertisement has received till now. You can check out the featured products, or if you have promoted your listing on this marketplace, that will appear in the featured product section. And if you have registered as a shop owner, so you can check out the my shop section. From this section, you can manage your account, view your favorites, check out your message history, check out whether you have been approved as a verified seller or not. If you want to apply as a verified seller, you will have to fill in a form and the request would be sent to the admin. So you can see I have applied successfully as a verified seller and the request has been sent to the admin, and you can see this request pending option over here itself. You can view the queries form over here. If you have any doubt or queries regarding this platform, you can fill in this query form and the same would be sent to the admin. You can check out the recent views of the properties or the products you have viewed recently, and you can filter it on region basis as well. And lastly, you can change the password of your account. So now let me take you to the admin panel of this classified rental marketplace solution. So starting with the dashboard, as an admin, you can see the total number of users who are using this platform, total number of active advertisements that are being run, total number of categories, total number of shops, and total number of product verification requests that are pending from the admin end. Below that, you can see the graphical representation of number of new users who have joined to this marketplace. You can filter this data on different bases like new users age, number of users blogged, and you can see the graphical representation for the same. Below that, you can see the categories and subcategories performance to analyze what product or what listings are giving you the highest business. Coming to the manage user section, you can manage the complete data of the buyers, sellers, and view the trusted seller requests. So let me first take you to the user section, where as an admin you can view complete user details like user email, their phone number, their type, their current status. As an admin, you can view or update their profile anytime. Like you can see this user is active, you can change its status to inactive, and you can see this has been reflected over here. Likewise, you can download the data for all the users in different formats. Coming to the seller section, you can manage the data for all the sellers. You can view their username, their email, their phone number, their type. You can change or update their status. If you select blocked for any seller, that seller won't be able to sell any other product or list any other products on the marketplace. Or you can delete any user or seller anytime. So in the trusted seller request, you can view the request for all the users who want to apply as verified sellers. So this is the account I have just used to apply for verified seller. So let's view that in detail. So you can see these are the images I have uploaded. This is the ID. So as an admin, I can either approve or reject this request of the particular seller. And you can see the post created by this seller. And also if you want to check out what all he has listed in this post, you can do that from here itself. And now you can view the complete product details that seller has uploaded, like the product description, the pricing, and all the other attributes such as location, property type, bedrooms. Coming to the category section. You can manage all the categories that are live on the marketplace. Like you can see these categories like property for sale, and under that you can see the subcategories that belong to this particular category. Like under property for sale, you can see residential for sale, commercial for sale. Likewise, you can view property for rent, vehicles. You can update these categories or you can add any new category from here. For that, you will have to upload the image of the categories, enter the name for it, select the neighborhood, and select the attribute set that you want to include for it. From the attribute section, you can manage or update all the attributes. Like you can see these attributes are currently live. Like if anyone wants to purchase a car, you would have to fill in these attributes such as the car make, year, conditions, kilometers, transmission type, etc. And now let's move on to the product section. Coming to the product section, you can view all the products that have been listed for sale or rent on this marketplace. Like you can view the product image, the name, the category to which that particular product belongs to, the listed price, who is the seller, when on what date the product was listed, its current status. If you want to view this listing in detail, you can click on the view option. Now you can view this listing in detail and the images for the same. Likewise, you can change or update the status and action of any product anytime. Moving on to the products verification section, you can view the listing requests that are still pending from your end. Like you can see, this is the listing I have made using the website, the 3 BHK flat for sale. So as an admin, I can verify this request. You can see. Now let me take you back to the website. So you can see in this website, now the listing has been verified and it is active on the marketplace for being sold. So coming back to the admin panel, you can reject or approve the listing request made by different sellers on the marketplace. Coming on to the user notification section, you can view the notifications that are being sent to the customers, and you can manage the content that would be sent in these notifications. Next, moving on to the pages. As an admin, you can manage what content would be displayed on different pages. Like you can manage what content you want to display on the privacy policy page, and likewise what content would be displayed in the terms of use page, safety guidelines, and likewise what all questions do you want to appear in the frequently asked question sections. Moving on to the banner section, you can add or update the banners. The banners also serve as an additional source of revenue, as they can charge commission fee from the vendors or the sellers who are listing their products and want to give it enhanced visibility. In return, they would give us commission fee to the admin. You can edit these existing banners, or in order to add a new banner, you will have to click on the add primary banner button. Now you can upload the banner image for mobile or the banner image for website, the URL, title for the banner, description, select its validity, and select the banner type. In the user query section, you can view the queries of all the users that have filled the contact us form on the website. Like if a customer fills in this contact us form and enters any query, the same would reflect in this user query section, and the admin can view the same. And under the reported spam section, the admin can view the reported users or reported products. Like if anybody is selling fake products or are doing any other illegal activities on this marketplace, so the other users can report the same and the admin can check out like what the problem is. And likewise, the admin can view the reported products. And lastly, the admin can manage the reports. Like you can view the user reports, like the total number of users, email, the location, the date on which they were registered at, and they can filter the report on the gender basis and different filters. Likewise, the admin can manage the reports for products, like what all products are listed, what is their pricing, their condition. The admin can view the reports for different inquiries raised. And lastly, the admin can manage the PVT reports. So all these reports are easily downloadable in different formats so that admin can have an easy access to the same. So this is how this online classified advertising marketplace works. So if you want to know more about how this marketplace works or want to have a one-on-one demo with our product experts, do check out our link in the description. Also, if you need a well-researched business plan, revenue generation plan, marketing plan, or investor pitch deck to start your own classified marketplace like Dubizzle, Craigslist, or OLX, just check out the link in the description. We'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.